Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video, we're gonna work on my Infiniti. So the problem I have, every time I drive or make a turn or something, we have a noise, squeaking noise coming from the back. So today's video, we're gonna try to fix this problem. So stay with me guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. Stay with me guys. So guys, we are in need of the car right now. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna check the sway bar. So when I push it, there's a movement to this side. So this side's bushing is bad. So driver's side bushing is bad. So I just ordered some high quality, high performance brand. I'm gonna maybe next week gonna have them. So I push this bad, that one. So second thing we're gonna do is we're trying to lubricate it with the WD-40. You have to do get a WD-40, and you have to do just spray it, make it lubricate, and the same thing for the other side. And we're gonna lubricate even for the shocks. I just changed the shock for the car, so we're gonna lubricate that one too. So we go to the bushing on the side here, lubricate that one, lubricate all the bushing, make sure all the bushing is lubricated, and even here on the top here, lubricate that one and lubricate that one on top. We'll go to the other side too, same thing. We gotta try lubricate everything. How do you see? And lubricate the bushing on top here, lubricate bushing on the side here. Anything has a rubber, make sure you lubricate it. Like that'd be a better lubrication. Even for the shocks, for the spring shocks. WD-40, even on the sides here, bushing, to be better lubrication. It should stop the squeaking noise. This we gotta help a little bit until we fix the problem properly. So spray again here. So pretty much there is new shocks on it, front shocks too, but still have some squeaking noise. So go sides here again. And the top here. So yeah, we gotta lubricate everything. So yeah, lubricate everything pretty much. So there's let's see more this side here. We'll check everything in the car. Pretty much it's gonna be better. So yeah guys, this was supposed to be lubricated. So we'll lubricate everything on the car now. Yep. So yeah, when I move it, I hear it. So this one I gotta change the sway bar. This I got the sway bar link. This one is coming next week too. And so pretty much I buy a lot of stuff online. So I'm waiting for everything. I believe I have to. I want to change my rear springs. Put some good quality on it, or maybe the rubber is bad. Yeah, so this was going on guys. Easy job, just take your time when you do all everything what you do now. This for the arm control. Yeah guys, so it's easy job pretty much. And we're gonna try and lubricate the shock side. If any like dust or something, just a little bit, not much. That's it guys. So pretty much I lubricate everything in the car. Yeah, so we're done. Okay guys, see how it's easy so you can lubricate your the shocks and all the bushing underneath of the car. So pretty much, so the sway bar is bad, so I have to change the bushing for, because when as soon as you touch it, if you feel it move a little bit, even a little bit, mean the bushing doesn't do his job. So it's better change it. So we gotta do, I buy the highest quality, high performance one. I think it's blue or the red ones. So those is gotta be keeping better, because everything I add into the car is high performance parts. So I have to keep going like that. It's not so expensive, like $30 for both sides, for the rear or for the front sides. So I buy 4 of them, almost $70 for 4 of them. And swap our link, have to buy a lot of stuff to the car. So guys, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we keep showing you more tricks. And take care to another video. And maybe next week when I buy everything, I'm gonna show you how to change them, how easy it is, and show all the tricks. Thank you guys, and peace.